everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. Ipsy Glam bags are for around $10. They are a monthly makeup subscription. So if you wanted to sign up, I do have a referral link down below in the description box that you're more than welcome to use. So in the bag, this came in, it is the Coffee Club Scrub, and this is in coconut. So this is exciting to try. That's that. So this bag is super cute, super athletic, which I need to work out. So it came with a little game face. I will conquer, well, hopefully get my life together and work out. All right, let's see what we got. We have this Bella Pierre, this is cosmetic, Stay Put Brow Gel, and in the color Licorice. So that's exciting. Next we have NYX Lingerie, and this is in Liply, something like that. So there's that. Might be too dark for my liking, but I don't know. Let's try it out. Next we have, let's see, this is from City Colors. It is a contour kit. So let me open this. I'm doing this one-handed because my tripod is MIA, so. All right. And this is a contour palette. That might be too orangey for me, but we'll see. Let's see if it says the color. Highlight, bronzer, and contour. Okay. And the last item is this charcoal wash off mask. 15-minute facial therapy. Deep cleansing mud based formula, unclog pores and lift away impurities for all skin types. Okay, that should be fun to try. So yeah, this is everything I got for this month's glam bag. So I'm super excited about all the things I got. So yeah, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.